catch some fish. Man, look at this water. It is just flat. Like dead flat. All right, let's try the old popping cork. Gulp shrimp, new penny. Let's see what's up. Well, that's one. We're in dink mode here. We are in dink mode. Yeah, we got a little something something. What we got? Hey, more dinks. Dink mode. Give me something. Wind picked up a little bit. You can see kind of back there. I don't know if it's fixing to rain or if it's coming this way. I don't really know. But it's still pretty nice. The water's a little dirty though. Rained a lot yesterday. Come on. Alright. We'll come back when we got something worth watching. Time. Could be redfish. Maybe. Let's see. Good. Yep, that would be a redfish. Just kind of picked it up while it was just sitting there. One, but it'll work. What do we got? Dink. Got a little weight to it, but not much. Let's see what we got. What are you? A trout, probably? Yes, you're a trout. Hey, you're a nice trout. I'm talking about, right there. Heck yeah. You are. You are dinner. What? I'm gonna have her all day long. I'm going home with something. Right by the boat. Come on. Yes, sir. What's the anchor line? What's the anchor line? Come on, dude. Nope. There you go. There you go. Yeah, little red. Come on. Ugh. Come on, buddy. Get on over here. There we go. Nice. Small, but nice. Come on. Oh, nope. Come on. Nope. What do we got? Another dink. There we go. See you later, dude. Well, you know, why not? Let's see what we got here. Okay. And we're done. We're wrapping it up. Man, that was a long day. Usually I fish a little bit smaller area out there and it's pretty consistent, but today, nah, it was anything but consistent. It was like work or something. I had to cover this huge area here. Let me show you. See that? That's where I paddled today, man. That was a long paddle. But hey, sometimes the fish are there. Sometimes you got to go find them. Any day of fishing is a good day, right? All right. Take care, guys. Peace out. See you later.